In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in MailerLite email. So in order to change your font, you first need to head over to MailerLite.com and click onto this sign up free in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can just proceed to click onto this login option if you would want. Do take note that when you sign up for MailerLite, you will have 14-day free trial of their premium features with no credit card required. Now, here is my actual email. I have in here this created from a template, so it typically have the fonts template right there. So for this case, you can just choose right here the text that you wish to change the actual font right here. Just click onto this and you can see in here some options like HTML, format, as well as other things. For this case, let's choose in here this format and you can choose in here the actual style that it has. So as you can see, you can actually change its font. So you can just choose and change the content style first and change the font assigned to that style. For example, we have in here the heading. Change in here the font for that. Let's choose, for example, Lucida and click on save. So on this case, let's add it as a heading and it will actually change up the actual font right there. They can also some change its actual font other than that. For example, let's choose in here Roman and save it and then assign it again on heading 1 and it will be assigned for that font again that we have added earlier. So just proceed to change the font using this, or you can also change its template font right here into the actual font that we have right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.